Hello friends, this is our channel Design Dreamers. Please like and subscribe the channel so you can stay tuned with our upcoming videos.
We are going to start designing on this Cricut design space. I'm going to go to canvas. I have my picture saved, so I am going to upload that. See right here. And this is the simple picture that I have. It's just going to be a simple cut operation. So I'm going to choose simple, I'm going to continue, and I am going to be removing the background first. So I'm just going to click on select, and after this background removed, I'm going to go ahead and remove the backgrounds in between the words. And now I can apply and continue, and I can actually see how it looks ahead. So it's going to be a simple cut image. I see that I need to remove the background for the E right here, the A, O, D, and O. So I'm going to go back, and I am going to be removing the background again. A, E, and I guess this should be good enough. Yes, I'm gonna choose cut image, and I'm going to upload this. Just gonna go ahead and select this, add it to the canvas. So this is the image that I would be ironing on a t-shirt. So for this one I need two different layers, and then I need two different colors for the words. So I'm just gonna go ahead and duplicate this. I'm gonna add this blue, and I'm gonna change the color. I need one in red, and I need the other one in, it's a golden paper, so I'll just go ahead and do this. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing never let anyone dull your in red, and then sparkle is gonna be in golden. So I'll just go ahead and click on this image, and I'm gonna contour it, meaning I'm gonna remove the sparkle. I'm just gonna keep the never let anyone dull your. So I'm gonna click on that, go to contour. I'm gonna hide this contour along with the stars, so it does not appear with the red one. Okay, I can cut it off. Oh, I still have this. I'm gonna go back to contour and remove this. I still have the star. I'm gonna remove the star. Here you go. Now I have never let anyone dull your in red, and then the next one I'm gonna contour out the never let anyone dull your, and I'm gonna just keep the sparkle as it is. I'm gonna actually hide all contour, and then I am going to bring back the words I need along with the star. Okay, this looks pretty good. You can go back and see. Yeah, I need this cut out. Go back to contour, select the words in between. Okay, this looks pretty good. Now I can go ahead and rearrange it. Okay, so this is how I would like my image to be. Just gonna go ahead and okay, this looks pretty good. This is how I need it, in red and then the rest in golden. So I can go ahead and click on make. I'm not going to be saving the project, just on save, and then it's going to be on a Cricut mat. So I'm just going to do on mat, and I have a 12 by 12 size mat. I'm going to confirm that, and then now you see that it's going to do basic cut operations on two different vinyl sheets, one on the red and one on the color. I'm going to select it's a golden color. So I can, if I go over here, I can actually select the material load type that's going to be on a mat, and then the material size, and I'm going to be mirroring this image, because as it's going to be an iron on the t-shirt, so this needs to be mirrored. And the same for the red, it's going to be on mat, a 12 by 12 material size, and it's going to be mirror. So here I have selected the material load type, the material size, I have the mirror on, and all I have to do is just continue, and it can start okay, so I can go ahead and set the base material now. For the red one, it's gonna be a everyday iron-on, and I'm gonna actually load the material on the Cricut, and it's gonna cut the red one first, and then after that, for the golden one, I can select this is actually, I have a golden glitter iron-on, so I'm gonna go ahead and do glitter iron-on for the base material, and the pressure I just leave it on default for vinyl sheets. And I'm gonna like if I click the golden one, it's gonna do that one first. If I go ahead and do the red one, I can do that one, depending on which one you want to go with. So I can start with one, then I can do two, and we can have that cut on the Cricut.